12 sound checks later, discovery number 2. I think I told a few fellows that may have watched my videos. I don't understand why I have 12,000 subscribers and only 500 views. But I told you about another 409. And like Mark Twain said, rumors of my death have been greatly exaggerated. Well, this ain't greatly exaggerated. Chevrolet. If you recognize the grill, you're pretty good, because I don't know if I'm that sharp. Let's take a look down the side. Whew. She's all locked up under mouse and key. I mean lock and key. 1962 Chevy Impala. And it's not an SS, which is kind of strange, but maybe it was a factory 409 car. Chevy didn't put too much information, but we'll have to figure it out, because I have bought, purchased, signed, sealed, and delivered 300 watts. Wait a minute, where's the 409? Of red 62 Impala 409. She's fully, entirely, completely restored. Body off frame restoration. Slightly modified with side exit exhausts a la NASCAR. Dynaflow style mufflers. Krager SS with Mickey Thompson. Good rubber. Front disc brakes. Somebody was a member of the 348 409 Club. I just talked to a fellow in Pearlton, New York that collects 409 parts. Mr. SpikedPunk. Now we had Thing 1 here earlier, but Thing 1 had to go take off and do something else, so.
Have his tea.
Oh, have his tea. His tea time. Thing 1 is gone, and Thing 1 was going to show us what we have here, so I'll turn the light on the camera. What we have here is a 409. We're going to look at the motor number in a minute, but it's got headers, which are clanking the steering shaft. We'll have to fix that with a BFH. It's got 2 Edelbrock versions of the Carter AFB aluminum 4 barrels. It's got braided fuel lines. The fuel filter is not touching the intake manifold, unlike somebody else's K5 Blazer. And the engine code is a mystery, because it's TIII88R. And where's the QB or the Q anything? There it is right there. It couldn't be any clearer. What motor is this, or was this? I noticed a few deficiencies. No washer on the shock absorber. This side doesn't even have the rubber bushing. Minor things that can be addressed. Had the engine mount failure retaining strap. It's got Doug's headers. It's got a modern 1999 Chevy steering box with a frame adapter. Few little deficiencies, a little tinkering. She'll be just like Resto Mod new. Disc brakes, boat battery, but it does have the proper hold down. Just it's got a boat battery for some reason. With big cables, fully and completely restored and polished and compounded. It's looking pretty good. Krager's on a 62 Impala. I saw an SS in Chicago, actually in St. Charles, across from the Pheasant Run Inn. It was an SS, but it was only a small block. I like him with a 409. Look how nice this looks. It does not have a posi differential. Or does it? I don't remember. I forget.
I think it has one.
Did you rev it up to 5,000 to do a burnout?
No.
I hope not.
No.
Nice Kragers, nice side exit exhaust, just like NASCAR. What's the interior look like? It's got a 5-speed Tremec, which taps into the glove box. We leave it open so the mice can have easier access. We haven't had mouse problems here, but where there's a mouse, there's a problem. Just a little bit of Bondo in the quarter panels, just a little wee bit. But basically, she's a good, solid car, good tin body. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be a rubber mount above the bolt but below the frame.
There is.
Yep. So, let's crank this baby up. Chevrolet blue dot taillights. It looks like original chrome on the bumpers. Crank this baby up. Go for it. You're the one that brought her home. You're more familiar with this car than I have. You've driven it. I haven't. She's parked in the barn, keeping the mice company. Crank her up. She's real fine. More gas. More gas. Feel at home? She's real fine. Got the genuine sun tack. Looks like our Impala had a little bit of an altercation. Missing his head. Poor Impala. Want to back it outside, Howie? Want to back it outside? You'll hear what she sounds like? Rumble, rumble. In the weeds. I don't really think you could call it barn found. We only put it here a couple of weeks ago. When did you say you parked her, old man? 1966?
66 we parked.
Yeah, right. How about 2 weeks ago? Think you better put it in four-wheel low lock.
Four-wheel low lock.
All right. Boy, does she look good. She's real fine. Another 409. Oh, you've got some passengers. Who's in here? Thing one.
And thing two.
And thing two.
Just to bring them up to the front of the house.
Try keeping under 100 miles an hour there, Mr. SpikedPunk. I think you're good to go forward. Mr. SpikedPunk, pull it forward. You got room. echoing off this huge chicken barn. No more chickens. Cars and car repair in the back 40. Rumble, rumble. Luckily, I'm not too old. I can still run. Luckily. Oh, what a beautiful car. I sent Mr. SpikedPunk there. I said, if it looks good, just write the check and get the key. And Mr. SpikedPunk said, looks good. Oh, well, hello, baby. Boy, what a racket. Hi, baby. Front disc brakes. Grab the hood there, Mrs. SpikedPunk.
Sure. There you go. There you go.
Rattle, rattle, rattle.
Yeah.
Nothing beats the sound of solid lifters in the morning.
Clickety, clickety, clickety.
Clackety, 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 clack. Too much clackety, clackety. Yeah, I know. Barking dogs and barking 409s. Boy, what a mouthful, huh? Clackety, clackety. Better than that? She's real fine. My 62 Impala 409. Impala number 2. Biscayne is 409 number 1. And we're heading off to Points West. Got one more to go look at. Thursday morning. She's real fine. Can't have enough. Chevy 409. Yeah, I know. You're happy to have a 409 in the family, huh? Oh, yeah. Wowee. All right, we got places to go and things to do. Dinner for 4 at 6:30 in Tirana. Hey, thing 1 and thing 2. Lovely. Thank you, Mr. SpikedPunk.
You're very welcome. It's been a pleasure.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And I'm taking the keys with. Because I don't want any hot rodding kids playing on my 409.
Well, I got the registration and papers. Big difference.
I don't know if you can handle 425 horsepower.
Already did.
I think 360 is your limit.
Already did.
All right, no test drives today. Too bad, so sad. Maybe next time.